You studied hard for a test at school, but during the test you can't remember an answer. You A, look at your neighbor's paper and copy your answer, or B, leave the answer blank. Maggie, what do you do? Is it A or B? B. Good job. Daddy, A or B?
B.
Bubby.
Bubby, look at Mama.
Bubby.
Even Steve's getting
A or B?
A.
Yay!
Monkeys in your house? You're supposed to eat them. That's throw them everywhere.
Okay, wait. One more question.
I don't think he can handle it.
You have plans to buy Desi to play with Desi tomorrow. Then Steven asked if you want to play tomorrow. Steven had a fun new game you're excited to try. You A, tell Desi that something has come up and you won't be able to go play, then go to Steve's house. Or B, tell Steven that you can play another day, but not tomorrow. Or maybe the three of you can play together. What is it? Yeah, I'm filming it.
B!
Yay!
Are all the answers B?
Have you not been listening? What's the answer, Daddy?
Hey!
What's the answer, Bubby?
The answer is throw all the marshmallows around. It's got the little...
Bubby! Bubby!
Look at Mama.
Bubby! Bubby!
Mama, can I throw one? Can I throw one?
Did you like Family Home Evening?
Yeah.
Look at your mess, Mom.
Look at your mess, Mom. You made all this mess.
A delicious mess?
Yes.